Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time visiting my channel, welcome to Bags and Design by Khembuzz. So guys, my name is Kemi. If you're wondering, guys, I'm gonna be making this lovely purse. Actually, not really a purse. I'm not showing the tutorial here. I've done the tutorial already, so I'm just gonna be showing you guys how to make your cord, how to make your pipe. I don't know if it is called pipe or cord, whatever. I guess it's piping. So guys, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also don't forget to click on the notification button. Don't forget to like my videos, and don't forget to comment. Thank you, and God bless you. So guys, this is the pipe I'll be working with. For this particular purse, the measurement I'll be making is now for the length of a pipe is 16.5, and so that is the measurement I'll be making use of. So guys, I'll be doing this, I'll be making use of the two pipe for the bag. And guys, this is a fabric I'm going to be using. So this is my interface. I've already ironed the interface to the material, so I'm just going to cut that out, just to cut the interface out, so I'm just going to trim it away. The excess one I don't actually need, so I'm just going to trim it away. So guys, now I'm through with the whole curtain, so I'm just adding a little bit gum to to the interface, just adding a little bit gum, and then I'm just gonna take my pipe and place it at the center. I'm gonna place my pipe at the center, and then I'm just gonna glue them together. So guys, if you want to know how I was able to make this purse, please kindly go and watch my video. I have this tutorial on my channel, so you can just go and search for the video, or I'm just gonna put the link of the video below the description of this video for you guys to watch. So this is just a tutorial for how you can make your pipe, and I'm still gonna do a leather part where you can actually where you can make your pipe using leather. This is using fabric. So guys, please watch this tutorial to the end. Guys, I've already sewn this pipe, so showing you guys how it's gonna look like when I finish stitching. So I'm just gonna do a new one for you guys to see. So I'm just gonna show you guys how you can get this result. Guys, this is the fabric, so this is my pipe here, so I'm just gonna place it. I've already marked where I want my pipe to be. For the pipe weight, the fabric I used was 1 inch, guys, 1 inch. So I'm just gonna stitch it like that. Make sure that your stitching is very close to the pipe. Make sure your stitches are close to the pipe. Guys, make sure you follow the shape of whatever bag you're making when you're doing or when you're stitching your pipe. Guys, be careful, take it easy, just be patient while you're making your pipe. You might do a lot of mistake at first, but trust me, you're gonna do it better the second time. So guys, I'm through with this right now. Guys, I'm through with the stage. The next thing I'm just gonna be doing right now is to take my corset and stitch my corset on top of the pipe. Guys, I've already tick where I want my corset to start from, so I'm just gonna stitch just like that, you know, just follow this pattern and you get it correctly. One more thing, guys, please make sure you're not stitching on top of the pipe. Don't stitch on top of the pipe, stitch very close to the pipe. So guys, I'm through with the first part, so I'm just gonna do the second part again for you guys to see it well and be able to do it better. Guys, I want you guys to be able to do it better, and that is why I'm showing you guys everything here. So guys, please watch this video to the end and be able to do it more than what I am doing it right now. So I'm just gonna follow the first pattern to actually make this second pattern. So guys, I would like to drop this tip. Please, if you're making your pipe, you're making your piping, and after turning it out and you notice there is still thread, you're still seeing thread, please go back, turn it back and stitch again. Guys, thank you so much for watching. This is the end of today's tutorial. I hope you guys really enjoyed this tutorial, and I hope you guys are able to pick one or two things. Guys, I would like to see a lot of you doing this for me to see. Thank you so much for your support. Thank you so much for all that you guys have been doing for me. I really do appreciate it. Thank you so much. I really love you guys. So please guys, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also don't forget to click on the notification button. Don't forget to like, comment and share. Thank you so much guys, and God bless you.